Hey everyone, it's Nancy and my dog Ruger is right down here and we have my December Stitch Fix for you today. So let's get into this. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you're one of my regular subscribers. I really appreciate you taking a little bit of your time to take a look at my December Stitch Fix. I have my cup of tea, I have my dog, I have my cozy sweater, and I'm really looking forward to getting into this box. Stitch Fix is a styling service. Almost everyone knows that. If you've not tried them before, I would like to encourage it. I really like them. They're kind of middle of the road on prices as far as styling services go, and they really do try hard to match your style. I've had the same stylist for a while now. I really like her. Her name is Ray, and I'm hoping I have her again because she's done a really great job of nailing my style. They do send you a preview of, I think, 10 to 12 items, and you can pick up to 5 of them to be sent in your box. I kept 2 items off of my preview this time, a black cardigan. I've been looking for both black and white cardigans, and a pair of jeans. I had requested in my stylist note, my note to my stylist, that she also sent me a particular pair of joggers. If you've been with me from the beginning, you know I've been looking for a pair of joggers all the way from the start. Just a pair of casual, real comfy joggers that I can wear around the house. I did find one pair in an Amazon haul, but they're more of a slippery exercise legging type fabric, and I'm still looking for something that I can wear around the house. I thought those may fit the bill, so we will see if they are in this box. From the feel of the box, I suspect there's a pair of shoes in there. I do very well with Stitch Fix shoes, so I cannot wait to get into this. All of the whys and wherefores and how it works of Stitch Fix are in the description box under Cliff Notes, but I won't get into all of this because I'm sure everyone wants to get right into the box. I do want to say though, if you use my link for your very first Stitch Fix, you'll get $25 off of your first fix, and I will get $25 to go to my next one. And I want to thank you if you do that, and I want to thank anyone who has used any of my links ever. It has really made it possible for me to continue bringing videos to you. So here is my prepaid mailer. Shipping both ways is free or included in the price of clothing, however you want to look at it. There's a little envelope that normally has both the Oh Hello card that has the stylist note, as well as outfit ideas for how you can use the pieces. And then we have the invoice. I'm going to save that until the end because that can influence how I feel about the clothing going along. The bundle ripped open, but here is, let's see what we got in the way of color. I love looking at it before I actually get into it. Ooh, we have 3 black pieces. This is possibly a navy. Right there went the box. Navy right there, and then we have a rust and 2 other black pieces. So we'll see. Very dark fix, and there is a pair of shoes in the bottom of this. All right, so first up, it's the black cardigan that I asked for. I don't have a plain black cardigan, and I had a plain white cardigan, and I've lost it. Clearly there isn't a white one in here. Oh look, this has a little ruffle around the sleeves. That's cute for a little bit of extra detail. Love that. Next up, it's the joggers. Oh, I'm so excited. Now my concern will be, and it kind of was when I asked for them, oh, it might be long enough. I was afraid they might not be long enough, but I had a feeling by the way they were fitting the model that they could be. So I really wanted to try them. Now we've got, oh, this is a pair of joggers too. They're rust. I'm gonna have a lot of bottoms. I have 1 cardigan and 3 bottoms in this fix. I'm gonna have to go find my own top. So here's another pair of joggers in rust. Okie dokie. This is kind of the weirdest fix I've ever had, because usually they'll give me tops to help make outfits. Okay. And then the pair of dark blue non-distressed jeans that I selected from my preview. Plain pockets. Tina from Tina's Best Midlife, she tends to like plainer pockets, if I remember correctly. You would like those jeans, Tina. We'll talk about brands and everything later. And now let's get into the shoes. Oh, cute. So this is just a little pair of, I would call that maybe a brick red flat. All right, so there's my 5 pieces. I'll come back in a minute and we will make these into outfits. Here are the first 3 items from this fix. I read the stylist note and I have so many comments I could make, and I'll probably be covering some of those as we go over the pieces. But first, I want to start with this adorable cardigan. Isn't this cute? Now, I did go ahead and change my top so that the details of the cardigan would show out a little better and so that it would match these rust red shoes. But here is the cardigan. I'm loving these shiny little buttons. It helps dress it up just a little bit. I do love the little ruffles here at the shoulder cap and a little bit of a puff sleeve. Us hourglass girls, anything we can do to, well, really, I'm an hourglass with more sand in the bottom. Anything we can do to widen our shoulders kind of helps to even out our silhouette just a bit. It's a little bit of a close fit. That always works really well on me. I'm trying to remember from the preview what the price was. I'm not recalling it, but I don't think it was too bad. Also, this is really soft. It just has a nice, soft, cozy type of feel to it. So this would work great with dresses, you know, casually with jeans, with a lot of things. So unless the price is outrageously expensive, I'm going to keep this because I really do need a black cardigan. So now I'm going to move on to the jeans. These are called a skinny mini boot, I think. I think that's what she called it, or maybe I saw it on the tag on the pants. They are a high rise. They come out, well, pretty high. They come just underneath my belly button. I like the fit. They're a little bit snug, but they're not overly so, I don't think. I do feel like, though, they're dropping a little bit in the crotch. And I think sometimes that happens maybe because the waist is a little large, and so they start sliding down on me. For that reason, I may not keep them. But otherwise, I like the fit, and I always do love a boot cut. And then we have these cute little flats on my feet. They're just kind of a plain pointed toe, rusty reddish color flat. Now, what I found interesting was she said in the note to wear these pants with the shoes I got in fix 27. This is fix 29. Two things. Number one, for the life of me, I can't remember what shoes I got in fix 27. I'm completely flummoxed. I didn't think I got any shoes 2 fixes ago, but that was 2 months ago and I've slept a lot since then, so I could be totally forgetting. But the other thing is, why would you have me put shoes from fix 27 on when these shoes came? And these shoes came, by the way, with no explanation. There's not even anything in the style card suggested for an outfit. So I mean, they're not going to go with joggers, are they? Flats, so would have to go with these jeans. I'm very confused. The other thing I'm confused about is she gave no explanation for these rust-colored joggers. Now, had this been a rust-colored top, would have worked great with this outfit. So I have no idea why those are there, and these shoes weren't mentioned at all. They're cute little shoes. They're comfortable enough. So I don't know. They're worth consideration, but lots of things here going on that are making me say, Alrighty, I'm going to come back with the black joggers. Well, here are the joggers. These aren't the glider joggers that I requested. She said she wasn't able to locate those. I don't know what that means because I think they're still on the website. It probably just means that they couldn't ship out of the same warehouse that these pieces came from. I would have loved to have tried those, but she did say she thought these would work really well for me. And I think they're doing pretty good. They're long enough. They're really, really soft. They have pockets. I don't think they're the most flattering thing on my hips, but the truth is I have never wanted as joggers really to wear out and about. It's more just comfort stuff around the house, and the most I would wear them out is probably to take this guy right here for a walk. So for those purposes, I think these are fine. If the price is good, I may keep them, but one thing I'm thinking, I think for a pair of joggers, they may just be a little tight. I can kind of, you know, I don't have perfect legs, and you can see some of the imperfectness bumping right here. I think if I went up to an extra large, because these are a large, that might be good. That might be better. The waist is fitting fine. I think if I went up, I could just cinch the waist. It's got a nice wide waistband with this white tie here. I think I could just cinch it in, and that would probably work. So that's worth consideration to me. Would love to know what you think about the fit of these joggers. All right, I'm going to be back with one more pair of joggers. And based on how these are fitting, I'm not sure that that rust color is going to be super flattering on my bottom half, so we'll see. Last piece in this collection is the rust joggers, which I don't dislike as much as I thought I would. I think these actually fit me just a little bit better. Now you're going to be able to see the fit better in this because they're black. It's very difficult to see in black, but I think they're clinging just a little bit less to my thighs. They are a little bit shorter. I tend to like a little bit of a longer length. I'm long-legged, and I am concerned that if these shrunk, they would be too short for me. And as we've discussed before, us tall gals, I'm 5'9", we were made fun of when we were kids for having pants that were, they called them high waters. So even though they're wearing joggers shorter these days, for me, the longer length makes me feel more comfortable. This is a comfortable fabric, as are the black ones. The black ones are a thicker feel. They are like a lightweight fleece, whereas these are more like a nice, thick, soft t-shirt material. This also has pockets, has a tie. I actually like that this tie is black instead of white like those. I wish that had a black tie. I would like that even better. But nice fit. Through the waist. Now, I think I could also probably go up to an extra large if these are a large in these. I'm just a little curious as to why I have 3 bottoms in this fix. That's never happened before. Also, this isn't my regular stylist. This isn't Ray. This is a gal named Amy. I get comfortable and then they switch. She said Ray is unavailable or something like that. I hope I haven't lost Ray, because it's nothing against you, Amy, but Ray knew me and she would have never sent me 3 bottoms. Yeah, so it is what it is. Like I said, probably the weirdest fix I've ever received. I don't dislike anything. I have a couple of favorites. Number 1 being this and number 2 being the joggers. So let's get together and take a look at prices. Are you ready to go over some prices for this very odd fix? 3 bottoms. Have any of you ever had 3 bottoms? Without requesting, can you give me a lot of bottoms? This was a first. Again, in my stylist note, she said Rihanna is unavailable. I'm hoping that doesn't mean she's permanently unavailable. No offense, Amy, if you're watching, which you probably aren't, but Ray had me figured out. This isn't the first time this has happened. Okay, let's get into our items. First up, we have the Emma Ballet Flat in burgundy, size 11. These are $49. That's actually not a bad price on those at all. I am happy to say that mostly thanks to Stitch Fix, I don't need any more shoes. I am really confident walking into my closet now and being able to find a pair of shoes that works with pretty much anything that I put on. And that's the first time in my life that has happened. Being a size 11, it's very difficult to find comfortable, stylish shoes in my size. As anyone with a larger foot can tell you, Stitch Fix carries up to size 11. So they've done a lot to help supplement my closet, as have videos that I've made and different collaborations and things. This channel has helped a lot. So from this point on out, I am just going to only buy shoes that I absolutely really love and that are really, really nice quality, because I'm going to need them a lot less frequently because I have plenty of shoes. So anyway, those are cute. They're comfortable. They're great little shoes. I just don't need them, and it makes me really happy to say that. Alrighty, next up, we have the Brie Cannon Holly Puff Sleeve Cardigan in black, size medium, $52. I love this. I love this, and it's a size medium. I don't know though. I'm wondering though, could I go up to a large? Tell me what you think about that fit. So it was fitting pretty good going down the front, but it was tugging just slightly in between the buttons in the front. So I would love your opinion on this one. I will probably still have this fix when this video comes out, and I would really love everybody's opinion on all of these pieces. Then we have the Madewell Skinny Flare Jean in indigo, size 12, $118. I did go ahead and keep these from my preview. I love that they're non-distressed. I love that they're long enough. I love that they're a consistent dark blue. Love, love, love all of that. But they were doing a weird slide down thing. And a lot of you will say, well, could you wear a belt? Yeah, I could, but here's the problem. When I wear a belt, a lot of times it makes my shirts lay funny. So if I can get away with not wearing a belt, I will. And I'm not in a position where I need jeans bad enough that I'm willing to compromise in any way. So those are going to go back, but they're really great jeans. Madewell is a terrific brand, and $118 on Madewell is not a bad price at all. Then we have the Glider halfway jogger in black, size 11. They're $80. These are terrific. They are by the brand Glider, but apparently they aren't the gliders that I asked for. Let me see on the stylist note, because she mentioned what they were called. She said, I know you were searching for a specific pair of glider joggers, and while I was unable to locate them, I think the selection I included will work well for you. But I think I may see if I can exchange these for an extra large. Again, let me know what you think about that. Then we have the Threads for Thought Connie jogger in burgundy, size large, and these are $64. I wish when you exchange with Stitch Fix, you could exchange for a different color. Because if these are available in a black, I would probably exchange for them. Of course, I could just order off of Freestyle. And I think right now everything on Freestyle is 25% off, isn't it? It was last I checked, which I need to look into, because why would I buy these at these prices if I can just go onto Freestyle and get them at 25% off? And then sometimes I will go in for my checkout on a Fix, and the price will have reduced for the sale price. So I'll check into that also. Would love your opinion, but I am aware that these weren't flattering and they made my hips look even bigger than they already are. Okay, with Stitch Fix, if you keep all 5 pieces, you do save 25% off of your total. So the stylist pick subtotal is $363 for all 5 pieces, but there's a buy all discount of $90.75 for 25% off. That brings the order subtotal down to $272.25. Then your stylist, your styling fee of $20 would be deducted off of that if you don't have the Style Pass, which they're doing away with. So I won't explain to you what that is. And then tax would be added. So I'm looking at exchanging this for a larger size. Maybe I want to wait and see the feedback, what you guys think, and either exchanging this for a larger size or seeing if this is available in black. Can't wait to hear what you guys think about this one. Everybody loves Stitch Fix, by and far my most popular video. I love reading the feedback from everyone on this. And that's it. That's it. We're done with the video. Ruger is again snoring. He's snoring goodbye to you. And I want to thank you so much for taking a little bit of your precious time to spend with me. If you could do me a quick favor and just squish that like button, helps the video tremendously. Comment down below, of course, like I've been saying all along. And if you enjoy different types of unboxings, almost all clothing at this point, I would be most honored if you would subscribe. We will see you on the next video. Bye-bye, and be blessed. All right. Now my brother. Hey everyone, it's Nancy Ann, my dog Nancy Ann. That was the wrong way to say my name. Welcome to my channel. I am really excited that you are here to do my November. This isn't November, this is December. Let's try that again. I was going to say something, which would be good because I'm making a video. Okay, here we go. Here we go.